Best engine replacement tips. Engine replacement is intimidating but achievable. These 12 essential tips will save time, money, and frustration. 1. Know why the old engine failed. Understand what killed the original engine before installing a replacement. If you ignore the root cause, you risk destroying the new engine the same way. Inspect thoroughly and learn the lesson before proceeding. 2. Match the replacement exactly. Engines that look identical can have critical internal differences. Verify casting numbers, production dates, and sensor compatibility. Pay special attention to engine control unit compatibility. A mismatch engine may not run correctly. 3. Replace wear items while the engine is out. You have access you will never have again. Replace the rear main seal, clutch, water pump, timing components, and all gaskets. The cost now is a fraction of the labor to access these parts later. 4. Label everything during removal. Use masking tape and a marker to label every connector and bolt. Take photographs from multiple angles before disconnecting anything. One disconnected sensor can prevent starting or cause immediate damage. Labeling saves hours of frustration. 5. Clean and inspect the engine bay. With the engine removed, pressure wash the bay and inspect thoroughly. Check wiring for damage, motor mounts for wear, and hoses for cracks. Address any rust. A clean bay ensures nothing hidden causes problems after installation. 6. Use new bolts for critical fasteners. Many modern engines use torque to yield bolts. Consult the factory manual and buy new bolts where specified. The cost is minimal compared to engine failure. If you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Engine Explained for more great content. 7. Prime the oil system before first start. A dry engine experiences metal-to-metal contact. Remove spark plugs and crank until oil pressure shows. Never let a fresh engine start dry. Verify sensor readings before final assembly. Catch wiring mistakes early. Confirm crankshaft, camshaft, and throttle position sensors are functional. 9. Use correct fluids and filters. Modern engines demand specific oil viscosity and coolant type. Using wrong fluids triggers warnings and causes wear. Install a quality oil filter. 10. Perform a controlled first start. Have a fire extinguisher nearby. Check for fuel and coolant leaks. Monitor oil pressure constantly. Follow any break-in procedure. 11. Road test carefully. Stay close to home initially. Vary engine speed to help seat piston rings. Monitor temperature and oil pressure continuously. Recheck all fluids and inspect for new leaks. 12. Document everything. Keep records of the engine source, casting numbers, and every part replaced. This documentation helps troubleshoot future problems and adds value when selling the vehicle. The bottom line, engine replacement done correctly transforms a dead vehicle into a reliable machine. Work methodically. Do not cut corners. And follow these tips. Your reward will be thousands of miles of dependable service.